So children, the next one that you are going to study is the demonstration that would let you know that how chlorophyll is essential for the process of photosynthesis. Yes, chlorophyll is one of the major factors that helps the photosynthesis to get successfully done. Okay, now for this we would study a demonstration again where you need a branch of variegated leaves. Okay, now in the background of this slide you may see there are two leaves. Okay, and both the leaves, they are not uniformly colored. That means they are variegated. Variegated means where the patches of colors are present. Okay, so on the surface of the leaf you may see that the leaf is half yellowish or brownish or half greenish or whitish. Okay, that means it is variegated or ununiformly colored. So we need a branch containing such type of leaves. In this demonstration, what you have to do? You have to take the branch of the variegated leaves and you have to dip the cut end of the branch into the water. And you have to leave the setup for 2 days in the similar way. Okay. So for the 2 days you will dip and you will leave the setup just to de-starch the leaves, okay, to de-starch the branch. That means to exclude the starch from the plant or the branch's body. What you are doing, you are just putting the cut end of the branch into the water and leaving the whole setup for next 2 days. So what we will do after next 2 days? We will take one variegated leaf out or pluck it out. Okay. Children, remember one thing: when you are keeping the setup for 2 days, it should be kept similarly as we have done in the previous experiment or the demonstration, in a room which is devoid of light, where the light is completely absent. Okay. Now, after that, after 2 days, you will just take the setup out, and what you will do, you will give it a good exposure of sunlight. You won't pluck the leaves as soon as you will take the potted plant, that plant out, the branch out from the dark room. What you will do, you will first give the exposure, okay, of the sunlight. You will keep the setup from the dark room to the sunlight after 2 days. Fine. So when the branch will get the whole day sunlight exposure, now what you will do, you will pluck the variegated leaf, one variegated leaf out of that branch, and in very similar way in previous 2 experiments, whatever we have done, we will follow that. What we will do, we will put iodine solution into the green part and non-green part of the variegated leaf. Okay, and what you will observe is that the green part of the variegated leaf will turn blue-black, whereas the non-greeny part of the leaf will not show the result. And with this, it will confirm that the chlorophyll is essential. It is very essential for the process of photosynthesis to take place, because the chlorophyll contains, or it is made up of certain protein complexes which traps the heat of the sun to drive out the reaction of photosynthesis, where carbon dioxide is basically broken down into oxygen and starch. Okay, so the main product is C6H12O6, the starch, and along with it, it is oxygen and a few amount of water in the form of vapor, H2O. So basically that CO2 plus H2O, it will only react in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Hence these two experiments has proved that these factors are necessary for the process of photosynthesis. Now we will learn about the significance of photosynthesis.